Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a group of curious kids named Hania, Yusuf, and their best friend, Rehan. These three friends loved exploring the wonders of the world around them, from the vibrant flowers in the meadow to the twinkling stars in the night sky. One sunny afternoon, as the friends gathered in their secret hideout, a cozy treehouse perched high in an ancient oak tree, Hania asked a question that had been lingering in her mind. "Hey guys," she began, her eyes wide with wonder. "Have you ever wondered how everything in nature works so perfectly? I mean, the flowers blooming, the rivers flowing, and the sun rising every day. Yusuf scratched his head deep in thought. "I think it's just science doing its thing," he replied. "You know, like how the earth rotates around the sun, gravity keeping everything grounded and all that?" Rehan nodded in agreement, but Hania looked unconvinced. But what if something went wrong with all of that? What if the earth started spinning in the opposite direction? Or if it spun faster? What would happen then? The friends exchanged puzzled glances, realizing they didn't have all the answers. That's when they decided to embark on a magical journey to discover the secrets of the natural world. As they stepped outside their treehouse, a mystical figure appeared before them. It was an old, wise owl named Ollie, who had seen countless generations of curious kids seeking knowledge. "Greetings, young adventurers," Ollie hooted. "I see you're pondering the mysteries of the natural world. Come, let me show you something." With a flap of his wings, Ollie transported the friends to a world where time seemed to stand still. The sky was painted with hues of pink and purple, and the air hummed with an other. Hania, Yusuf and Rehan listened intently as Ollie guided them through various scenarios. Imagine if, all of a sudden, the earth started spinning faster, he mused. Days would be shorter, and the world would be a chaotic mess. Plants, animals, and even humans would struggle to adapt. The aftermath of the accelerated Earth's spin would be marked by turmoil, leading to disrupted landscapes, turbulent weather, and disorder affecting both the environment and human structures. This impact would extend to storms, erratic winds, and other meteorological phenomena. Vegetation would be bent and contorted, struggling to adapt to the disrupted environment. A flock of birds, mid-flight, would exhibit disoriented navigation patterns as they would adapt to the accelerated Earth spin. Fish would navigate in irregular patterns underwater, struggling to coordinate their movements in response to the rapid changes in the aquatic environment. On land, a herd of animals would appear disoriented in their movement. Insects would navigate in a less synchronized manner. Marine creatures like dolphins or whales would encounter difficulties in their usual swimming and communication patterns. Buildings and structures would be leaning against the direction of the accelerated Earth spin. Vehicles on tilted roads would struggle with balance and coordination due to the increased centrifugal forces caused by the faster spin. Individuals would make adjustments to their posture to cope with the altered environmental conditions resulting from the accelerated spin. He continued, "Now, picture the Earth, all of a sudden, spinning in the opposite direction. The delicate balance that sustains life would be disrupted, causing upheaval in the natural order. Seasons would be unpredictable, and the consequences would be dire. There would be erratic temperature fluctuations. Farms would have withered and damaged crops, resulting in barren fields. Riverbeds would have dried up, leading to parched landscapes and communities struggling with limited access to water. Towns would be affected by a hurricane and flood, resulting in damaged homes, displaced residents, and emergency response efforts. Mosquitoes would be transmitting diseases, affecting patients in healthcare facilities. The friends gasped, realizing the importance of the natural laws that govern their world. Ollie concluded, "Science can help you understand these laws, but it cannot create or control them. There's something beyond science, a divine force that set the universe in motion and keeps it in perfect harmony." As the friends returned to their treehouse, the lessons from their mystical journey with Ollie the wise owl lingered in their minds. They marveled at the wonders of the world. Now, with a deeper understanding of the delicate balance maintained by the natural laws set in motion by the Almighty Creator. One day, as the friends explored a meadow filled with blooming flowers, Hania pointed to the sky, her curiosity bubbling once again. "Do you think the Creator is always watching over us, ensuring everything stays just right?" she wondered aloud. Yusuf nodded thoughtfully. "It makes sense. Without those natural laws, everything would be a mess. But how do we know for sure that there's a divine force behind it all?" Just as the friends pondered this question, Ollie the wise owl appeared, perched on a nearby branch. "Ah, my young friends," he hooted. "The Creator's presence is evident in the order and beauty of the natural world. Just think about the consequences if those laws were to go awry. Ollie gestured toward the meadow. Imagine if the flowers decided to bloom at random times, or if gravity stopped working. Chaos would reign, and life as you know it would crumble. Hania, Yusuf and Rehan felt a bit worried thinking about what might happen if things in their world didn't go as planned, realizing how vulnerable their world could be if not for the careful maintenance of the natural order. Ollie continued, "Science can explain how these laws operate, but it cannot prevent them from going wrong." He explained that science is like a big book that helps us understand how things in our world work. It's great for exploring what's already there, like reading about a favorite story. But, Ollie continued, when things go wrong, science doesn't have the power to fix them. It's like having a map that shows all the paths but can't repair them if they get a little twisted. That's where the Creator's role becomes crucial. God not only set these laws in motion, but also ensures they remain steadfast. Ollie emphasized, God, our special creator, is the one who not only made everything but also takes care of it. So when things go a bit off track, only God can set them right and make sure our world stays just the way it should be. He emphasized, to keep everything safe and in perfect harmony, there must be something beyond science, something almighty, all-powerful and all-capable. That is the essence of God, who not only created but also maintains the natural world and its order. With vivid examples, Ollie conveyed that while science is a fantastic tool for exploring and understanding the wonders already created, it lacks the power to mend or recreate, highlighting the indispensable role of the Almighty in maintaining the harmony of the world. The friends nodded in understanding, grateful for the wisdom imparted by Ollie. With a newfound appreciation for the divine forces at play, Hania, Yusuf and Rehan continued their adventures, exploring the wonders of the world with a sense of awe and reverence for the Creator who crafted and sustains the intricate tapestry of nature.